Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Fumoto oil drain valve for the Duramax motors. Today we wanted to show you a little product that's just going to make your life easier for you Duramax owners. Now this is the Fumoto drain valve. We offer this from Merchant Automotive. And one of the nice things about this, you know, changing your oil can be an absolute hassle, and it can be a mess. And the Fumoto drain valve, what it does is it just basically makes the job cleaner for you, makes it go faster. So let's show you what you get inside this kit from Merchant Automotive. Obviously you get the Fumoto drain valve, and then we have a little rubber cover that comes with it that will go on the end of the drain valve, keep you from dripping anything after you do your oil change. That'll get caught in there. You can leave it on there if you want to. And then we also get a little plastic lock that comes with the kit. The plastic lock is going to go on here on the Fumoto drain valve, and what it's going to do is it's just going to act as a safety in case something were to hit the valve and open it and you lose all of your oil out of your engine. I want to talk about that just a little bit. I know a lot of people are going to look at this and go, man, that's that's kind of crazy to put a drain valve like that on your truck. It can get hit. I assure you, it's not going to happen till you're going down the road. You know, to open the valve, you have to pull up on the lever and you have to be just so on it to get it turned to where it opens up for you. So now I want to talk to you just a little bit about when you get this in the package. When you get this in the package, it's going to be open. It's going to be open because it's not going to be shut off, because that puts the arm out to the side, and what happens with that is that's going to rip the package that it comes in. So the drain valve is going to be open, so make sure when you install it on your truck that you tighten it down and then you turn it perpendicular to the body of the Fumoto drain valve to shut it off. Again, just a nice little Duramax upgrade for you Duramax owner guys, making your oil changes a whole lot easier. It can go faster, and you don't have to worry about fooling with getting tools to get the drain plug out, so on and so forth. It's made with an extension off of here, or a nipple off here, that you can put a piece of rubber hose on, run it over into a 5-gallon bucket to catch your old oil. You don't have to worry about fooling with pans or whatnot. That's what I like to do on mine. I just run it into a 5-gallon bucket. It's got a lid on it. Run it right straight in there. When I'm done, shut it down, take the line out, good to go. Don't have any problems. So make your life a little bit easier when you're changing your oil on your Duramax motor. This will work for on the LB7 all the way through the LML models and all the models in between. So if you have a question about this product or any other Merchant Automotive products, just give us a call, and we're going to link you in this video to be able to buy the Fumoto drain valve. Thanks for watching.